So I'm really excited today. I'm sitting here with Moe from Kajal, and we're going to discuss the classic collection from your range. So we've got a few here. Can you tell me, this is Lamar.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about the range in general, and then we'll talk about the fragrances.
So the like you mentioned, this is part of the classic collection. The classic collection are the fragrances that tend to they don't have a specific theme, but what we're seeing now is more and more we are within the classic collection.
Mm-hmm.
It's becoming a bigger collection,
Mm-hmm.
and so it's sort of having its own segments.
Yes.
And one of the segments of the classic collection is the gold line.
The gold line, and this is all the calligraphy and all the names need
All
gold,
the names,
am I right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So within the gold collection, it's you can distinguish it by what you just mentioned. There are 8 words here.
Mm-hmm.
Each word means a different form of gold. One is dahab, which
Mm-hmm.
was one of our first fragrances, and the one you just sprayed is lamar. Lamar meaning liquid gold.
Really?
Yeah.
And it certainly smells like that to me. That is really lovely. Very juicy as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it
Lots
has.
of fruits and
We have
things.
there are fruits in the fragrance in the top notes,
Mm-hmm.
and a lot of people make praise to the pineapple,
Yes.
but it's a different facet of the pineapple that we try to target,
Uh-huh.
and it's sort of become our signature, like having fruits in our fragrances,
Yes.
because within the dahab fragrance.
Mm-hmm.
We have the green apple. I don't know if you would like to try it
Love
also.
to. Let's give this a go. So this is green apple in this one.
Green apple and passion fruit.
Nice.
Yeah.
Lovely combination. You've got the real sweetness and then the sharpness of the apple.
Yeah.
Really.
I
yin
smell
and
it
yang,
from here.
yeah.
I can really.
Oh,
I can
yes,
tell, yeah.
that's magnificent.
The projection, of course, we really pay attention to having fragrances that project with
Yes.
a nice sillage,
Yeah.
and then you have a base, a very heavy ambery, musky base.
Yeah.
Not so oud centric,
Mhm.
but just enough so that you can have a long lasting fragrance.
Gorgeous. And then what else have we got here?
So
Let's see.
we recently, just to mention, we recently launched ICANN, I think, which you mentioned
Yes.
that you just.
I love ICANN.
Yeah.
Yes.
So ICANN is the third sister of the gold collection.
That's why I like these then.
Then in this side of the table we have our other part of the collection, which we're currently doing the numbered collection,
Mm-hmm.
and we started with Kajal Om 1
Right.
and then Kajal Om 2,
And 3
okay,
and
which
4.
is Kajal Om 2 here.
Yes.
But then when we launched Kajal 3 and Kajal 4, we dropped the name Om, just because a lot of women were wearing Kajal Om and Kajal Om 2. So we thought it would make more sense just to
Yes.
drop the Om, just to give it more of a
Because it's
that
all
freedom,
unisex.
freedom of
Yeah.
choice for people. So these Om and Om 2 will be rebranded,
Okay.
and they will resemble more or less this
So
line,
they'll move into this coloured bottle.
this colored bottle,
Mm-hmm.
and then if you realize, if you take note here, the patterns. This one, because it's 3, we chose a pattern that the triangle with the 3 sides,
Right.
and in the 4, the pattern is derived or like
It's a square, a cube.
influenced, by the cube. And in in 1 and in 2, both patterns will be reflecting the
I
number.
love that you put that much attention to detail in all the packaging and bottles and everything as well. It really shows how much attention you pay to the fragrances too. So that's a quick run through the classic collection from Kajal. Thank you, Mo.
Thank you.